Welcome to kurumicooks. You can find this recipe and more at my website kurumicooks.co.uk. We are making chawanmushi, which I call steamed egg cups in English. You can use this as a starter or a side dish. Here are the ingredients for 4 cups. 300 ml of Japanese stock, 2 medium eggs, 4 raw king prawns. You can use ready cooked ones at a pinch. 60 grams of chicken cut into 4 chunks. 4 seafood sticks. 4 shiitake mushrooms. These will be sliced because they are quite large. 4 200 ml capacity cups with lid. If you don't have a lid, you can make a lid with using aluminum foil. And some cress. Cut the seafood sticks in half. Discard the stems of the shiitake and then slice them into 2 or 3 pieces. Whisk the eggs and gradually add the stock and mix well. Let's assemble your egg cups. Put a piece of chicken, 2 slices of shiitake, 1 prawn, 2 pieces of seafood sticks into each cup. Then pour in the egg mixture. Garnish with cress. And put the lids on or cover each cup with aluminum foil. Now fill a saucepan with enough boiling water so that the cups are half or a little less under the water when you put them in. Steam over a medium-high heat for 2 to 3 minutes, then reduce to a medium heat for another 7 to 8 minutes. At the end, check the consistency. The egg should still be very soft with just a little liquid. Your steamed egg cup is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.